guys, I am back with another Boxycharm Base box for November variation. I literally just finished filming my last variation sneak peek spoiler for you guys, and as I was scrolling through Instagram, I saw another variation pop up, and I was pretty excited about it. So I thought, why not? Let's film again. So you're gonna see this outfit in a lot of videos coming up, but you guys, Express was having a 50% off sale and I had to do it. I had to do it. You couldn't beat the deal, you know? So if it's still available, I'll make sure to list it and link it down below for you guys. If you guys are curious about my eye look, I am using the Gerard Cosmetics Cherry 2 palette. Hotmess 10 will save you 10% at checkout. You can use it over and over again. It'll get you this palette for $8. Yeah, can't beat it. It's actually a dupe for the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. So anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We love to do sneak peek spoilers, we unbox, we play in makeup, we do get ready with me's. There's all kinds of things. I pretty much upload almost every single day over here, sometimes multiple times a day over here. I also have a second channel, HOTMESSMOMMAMD Vlogs, and my daughter has a channel as well. So all information on the channels will be linked and listed down below, as well as coupon deals. And let's just go ahead and get into this next variation we are seeing for the November Boxycharm Base box. Okay guys, so check this out over here. Oh my goodness. So as always, anything I pull off of Instagram, I always make sure to leave their handle and give credit where credit is due. So what we are seeing in this particular variation, the Natasha Denona Peak palette. Like I told you guys, this was curated specifically by Natasha Denona for Boxycharm. It does have a retail value of $48. You're not going to find this palette anywhere else. You will find these colors in other palettes of Natasha Denona's, but she curated this palette, this 5-pan palette, for Boxycharm specifically, and I think it is absolutely a wonderful palette. Like I told you guys, I did do an Instagram look as well as a dedicated video showing you guys the swatches, how I did a look with this palette. It is such a beautiful, beautiful palette going into fall, and a lot of people are now seeing this in their variations. So honestly I've only seen one variation so far that has not had the Natasha Denona palette in it, so I'm stoked for everybody. So like I said, that has a retail value of $48. The next item we are seeing is the Benefit Cosmetics GimMe Brow, and like I told you guys, this is what I chose for my base box, and I'm pretty excited about it. I did go with the lightest shade. I have not received my paid for base box just yet, but you know, when your girl does, I'll be coming back and I'll be unboxing it for you guys. As far as the GimMe Brow, I've got it somewhere in this a full drawer of things, but I went with the lightest shade because I feel like, for me personally, having thyroid issues, I don't have the latter part, or whatever it's called, of my brow, so I pencil that in and then I go back in with a light brow gel to give more of that floofy, fluffy effect to my brows. So that is the next item we are seeing in here. Next, we are seeing the GEEK Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. Now, I talked about this before in another variation video. I don't know much about this particular brand, so if you guys do know about it, if you've tried it, let me know. I've not seen what color corrector this one is, if it's like a deep, bright, like orange or light orange or what have you, but I do know this must be a brand I think I saw from like the UK or something. So that is the next item we're seeing in here. We're also seeing the Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Spice or Pumpkin Tumeric Mask, which I told you guys in the last video I filmed, I want this mask so bad. I mean, you hear wonderful, wonderful benefits as far as turmeric goes, especially on the inside of your body with inflammation and everything. And I am super intrigued by this mask, and I'm really, really hoping to get this in my paid for box, or I hope that it's available for the Boxy pop-up that is happening on November 9th. This has a retail value of $45, so I'm like, ooh, I don't want to pay $45, but I want that in my Boxy pop-up. So anyways, guys, moving on, the next item that I am seeing in here is by the Volition Beauty, and this This is an expensive skincare product that is actually sold at Sephora, and I got to sit in on a Zoom call with this brand, and the benefits to this particular serum is absolutely amazing. This is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. It has a retail value of $62, and it's an ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. It was really cool because when I sat in this Zoom call, he actually showed us like the mushroom expanded and like all the hydration to it, and it was insane. So anyways, it is great for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin, your skincare concerns, if you have large pores, dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's a serum, and like I said, it's got the snow mushroom, which helps to hydrate and lock in moisture for long-term retention. It was insane. It was so cool. So this is another item that I'm really hoping is in my base box, or that we see in Boxy pop-up. I mean, there's like thousands of things that we've already seen like sneak peeks for when it comes to Boxy pop-up. I haven't seen this one yet, but I'm really hoping we see this in here. It also has like watermelon, apple extracts, like so many amazing things. So really hoping to see that, and I think that is everything in this particular variation. I have to say, thus far, this would be the variation that I want. Yeah, and I'm really hoping it is the one that I get in my paid for box, because like I said, I did choose the GimMe Brow, so I'm like, please let me get this variation. I don't know which variation it is, but let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, this is now like the third variation I've seen, and only one so far has not had the Natasha Denona palette in here. So like I said, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Are you guys excited about Boxy pop-up? What are some of the items that you are most excited to see in pop-up? Like I said in past videos, November 9th, Boxy pop-up opens up for everybody. That's right. You don't have to wait until the next day or anything. You can get right in on the 9th. You can also make your choices for your boxes on the exact same day. Instead of having multiple days, they want to try it out with everybody being able to get in there and make your choices to start your shopping. Boxy pop-up, like I told you guys, is always a great way to start your holiday shopping, and I can't wait. We've seen things like Viseart, Kate Somerville, Becca, so many different brands. Even Natasha Denona has actually been in our add-on, so I'm hoping that they are available for Boxy pop-up. So like I said, I'll be coming back. I'll be doing more of these different variation videos. You guys tell me that you love watching them, and I love filming them. So don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Like I said, we're trying to get that 10K swipey uppy by the end of 2020. I do giveaways over there as well as makeup looks. Like I said, if you guys are curious about the Gerard Cosmetics Cherry 2 palette that is on my eyes today, and you want to go ahead and pick it up, you can just use code HOTMESS10 to save yourself 10% and get it for a whopping $8. And if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I always leave my link down below for you guys. If you guys are interested in signing up for Base, Premium, or Luxe, like I said, I'll be coming back and I'll be giving you some sneak peek spoilers on the Boxycharm BoxyLuxe for December. It's insane. Like, we're going out with a bang for 2020, and he even said January is going to be pretty awesome. So I'm like, oh man. Anyways, so if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, check my description box down below. I'll also leave a link in the comment section for you guys. It is an affiliate link, just letting you guys know. Thank you guys in advance if you do use my link to sign up. And let me know, like I said, what are some of the items you are most excited for your base box, as well as Boxy pop-up. So many exciting things, and I feel like we kind of need that right now because the world is a little bit of a crazy place. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.